大家好, here's a quick introduction on a few tricks we can use when using Pleco. So Pleco is one of the most useful apps for learning Chinese. It's mainly a dictionary app, but with many other functions as well. Key in a new word in the search box up here. Remember to press enter. When you press enter, it's then saved in your history. So if you want more information about this word, for example, how to write it, click stroke order and press play. Swipe along to see the next character, press play again. If you want to see more information about the characters within 注好, click characters. And if we select one, for example, 好, and if we now click characters again, you can then see the basic elements that are put together to form 好. So basic element number 1, or the first component, is 女, and then the second one is 资. And within the characters section still, if you keep there in the characters section and you scroll down, in this case, looking at new, you'll see all the characters that use new within them. And these top ones are, have a think, what do you think the top ones are? They are the more commonly used and generally the more simple ones. So this is where your focus should be. For example, we have 要, 好, 他, and so on. So these are commonly used and simple. And if you scroll down, you get some really rare, obscure, even obsolete characters. So keep your focus on those top ones, and you'll see almost all of the top ones, or many of them, will appear within Mandarin building books. Okay, the next thing is if you click words, then you can actually see any words which use nu as one syllable. So it's not using nu as a component character, but actually using nu, in this case, as one character in the word, i.e. one syllable within the word. And these are arranged in what order? What do you think? So these are arranged alphabetically. And that means the ones at the top may be really obscure and rare. You just have to carefully select. Okay, and finally, you've also, let's go back to how for a moment. To go back, by the way, it's the back chevron there. So, and that just brings you back to where you were. So if we click how, the final option, so we've looked at stroke order, characters, words. The final thing to look at if you want more info is sentences. And then you can see all kinds of sentences that use that character within them. So overall, it's 很有用, very useful, and I wish you the very best in using Pleco.
祝好